Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question that too pertaining to heights and distance. So I will say that the question again here is the ones that we often see in the test of mathematics, and also what we'll try to do is basically try to identify the kind of questions that are being asked in this examination in general and identify the approaches involved towards solving the same so that we can have a general idea on how to go about solving this kind of questions in general, so that whenever we come across this we are easily able to solve this. Having said all of that, let's focus on the question at hand. A ladder AB 25 feet, where 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, long leans against a vertical wall. The lower end A, which is at a distance of 7 feet from the bottom of the wall, is being moved away along the ground from the wall at the rate of 2 feet per second. Okay, the upper end B will start moving towards the bottom of the wall at the rate of, so we need to find the rate at which the upper portion would come down. Okay, so let's first try and basically draw the figure. Suppose this is my wall. Okay, say this is my coordinate axis only. Let's just consider this. Okay, so so this is my ladder. Okay, say this is my ladder. So this is of 25 feet. Okay, ladder AB 25 feet, lower end is A, upper end is B, and say this distance is 7 feet from the bottom of the wall. Say this is 7 feet. Okay, the ladder is 25 feet long. So now in inches per second, okay, we need to convert everything in inches. So now from this triangle we can actually suppose, so be x and this be y. So what we can actually have is that x square plus y square equal to, say, 25 feet is given at 25 into 12 inches whole square. So now if we differentiate the same with respect to time, because it's given in seconds, right? So we have 2x dx by dt plus twice y dy by dt equal to 0, because this entire term is a constant. So therefore we can conclude dy by dt equal to minus x by y, well, 2 get cancelled, dx by dt. Okay, we can write. Now if we know that x is 7, right? So x can be written as 7 into 12 inches, that is say 84 feet. So therefore if we talk about y can be given as 25 into 12 square minus 84 square, that is 24 into 7. Okay, now if we find dy by dt, we can actually get minus 84 by 24 into 12 into 2 into 12, that is minus 7 inches per second. So this minus sign here, basically this indicates that it is moving in a downwards direction. Okay, so our answer would be option C, 7 inches per second. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So this was again a very interesting question. So all we needed to do was get ourselves involved with a little bit of concepts pertaining to the height and distance, and then simply differentiate the same with respect to time. So in case you are having any difficulty in trying to understanding the same, I suggest you go through the video multiple times so as to get a clear understanding on how we tackle this question in general. And having said that, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.